Protecting the environment remained a priority for the service last year, and we agreed to reduce the purchase and consumption of single-use plastic within our service and reduce the service's energy consumption and move to a more sustainable energy strategy. Some of the service's notable achievements over the last 12 months were: a trial to purchase reusable water bottles was completed, with water bottles issued to all members of staff to assist in driving down single-use plastic water bottle use across the service. Biodegradable cups and takeaway food containers and more fair trade tea and coffee products were used in our staff canteens. A new waste contractor based in Lampeter was secured. The new contractor is able to provide more specific data on the weights of waste collected from each site and report on the percentage of waste diverted from landfill, with this information being fed back into service sites to encourage further recycling efforts. We achieved our target of 1% of waste going to landfill and 99% being recycled or recovered. We improved monitoring technology for gas and electric meter readers, and they were installed at all our stations to allow for more accurate energy monitoring. A photovoltaic system was installed at Morrison Fire Station and will reduce energy costs across the station. The predicted savings were between £3,500 and £5,000 per annum. We collaborated with the Welsh Government Energy Service on a fleet review scheme, which involved reviewing the data on our whole fleet and building energy consumption to establish the best locations to install EV charging points. To support our investment and commitment in ultra-low emission vehicles, a grant of £80,000 was secured from the Welsh Government to increase the provision of electric vehicles in the service. Environmental data is published to all staff and includes methods of reducing individual plastic use at home and in the workplace. This is just a brief summary of what we have delivered during the last 12 months. Further information about the progress we made against our objectives can be found in our annual performance assessment by visiting www.mawwfire.gov.uk.